Here we have a Smith Premier Model 4 typewriter made around the early 1900s. I got this typewriter off a lady from Craigslist for $100. As you can see, it's on this weird stand that I don't know who the stand is made by. It's completely unmarked. As you can see, the supporting plate here is made of brass. These are made of like steel. That's their steel tubing, wing nuts, steel, and a cast iron base. I don't know if a factory made it or it was made by somebody in their garage. It looks like a factory can make it or somebody in their garage. Well, let's talk about the typewriter. It has dual keyboards, lowercase and uppercase. It has a medical symbol on it. That's actually an M with the line crossing through it, which means mix of pills in medical terms. It's still far from being finished. It's still quite dirty. It's still quite dirty. It needs a lot of work. It's in decent shape. It does work. It works decent, but it's still a little sticky because the mechanicals inside still need a little cleaning and scrubbing. The bottom half of the back feed roller is kind of disintegrated, so it doesn't feed paper too well. You have to hit the release and jam it in there to get it to type. I put a new 1/2 inch ribbon, or 1.5 inch ribbon in it. Let's take a look here. I had to remake the ribbon guide plates because when I got it, those were all just torn up and broken apart. So I had to remake those. Works pretty good now. If anybody knows about the stand, could you let me know? Because I've never seen one like it and it's totally unmarked, so I'm clueless about that. Look at this. Where that sat for so many years. Look how shiny it is there compared to there. The roller is pretty hard and chipped and just busted. The paint's not in the greatest condition. The case has seen better days. It's gotten badly messed up there, welded, repaired, whatever it be. Some of the keys work. Well, most of them work, except so I have like sticky pads jammed behind there. That's because the springs underneath here have broken. So that's the video.